Is this something you want to deliver?
Yes.
All right, turn around. Here, we'll do it in the front. All right, where's this going?
Warning: this video is for educational and awareness purposes only. It does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. Pennsylvania, February 14th, 2024. State police stopped a rental box truck near Harrisburg for driving without headlights. The driver, Andrea Sharkalaya Rodriguez, 27, from Tucson, gave inconsistent statements about her long trip from Arizona. A canine search quickly detected narcotics, and officers found approximately 15 kilograms of illegal drugs in the cargo area. She was arrested at the scene and admitted she was transporting the drugs to New York City for payment.
Can you turn your headlights on?
Yes.
Also, be careful with how close you're getting to some of those other cars, okay? You got in behind that semi. You weren't speeding or anything, so just go around them or back off of them. I don't want you to crash or anything, okay? Arizona?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
From Arizona.
Coming from Arizona. Okay. Where did you rent this at?
Tucson, Arizona.
In Tucson?
Yes.
Where are you headed to?
To Harrisburg.
Harrisburg?
Yes.
Pennsylvania?
Yes, Pennsylvania.
Okay. All right. What takes you over there?
Because I'm going to move over there.
You're moving?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you doing this for a company?
A company?
Yeah.
No, it's because I used to move things at other times, so that's why.
Okay. So, where are you taking the truck to?
It's going to come back.
To Arizona?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you rented this and you're moving your stuff to Harrisburg?
Yeah, just a little stuff, and then I'm going to take another one.
Okay. When did you rent this?
It was on Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Sorry.
This Wednesday?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Have you had any tickets or anything else?
No, nothing.
Okay. So do you work for a moving company?
No, I used to work.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't work.
You don't do that anymore? Because it looks like you rented it under this. Andrea.
Yeah, that was my company.
Okay.
Like I said,
so this isn't your company?
No.
What's in here right now?
It's just some sofas and my luggage. Just that.
Sofas and luggage? Okay. And it belongs to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I hear this a lot, okay?
Yeah.
And if you're doing it for pay, that's fine.
No, it belongs to me. It belongs to me.
All right. And then you're going to... So why are you going to drive the truck all the way back?
Because, like I say, I'm coming to move her here, and then I'll go back and then bring another stuff.
Okay. All right. Bear with me. Let me do some checking on some things, but that's why I have you stopped, okay?
Yeah.
Be careful. Have you had any breaks or anything? When did you leave Tucson?
I just leave on Wednesday.
Wednesday. So you've been driving hard then if you're here already. Where have you been sleeping at?
At the hotel.
Oh, you slept at a hotel?
Yeah,
okay. How many nights?
It's 2 nights.
You spent 2 nights in a hotel?
Yeah. No, one night, like, I came on Wednesday. I slept in the hotel, and then yesterday I slept in the hotel.
Okay. All right. Well, bear with me for 1 second. I'm going to check some things out, and I'll be back with you, okay? All right. This is
no agreement.
This is a problem.
Arizona.
So she said she rented this on Wednesday, which she did.
Wednesday. Today's Friday.
Smell that? Smell the air freshener?
Yeah.
It's all over the rental agreement. So she rented this in Tucson, but here's the problem. She won't tell me the truth. She rented this under Andrea Celia Delivery, which is a company. She said she had a moving company. She doesn't work there anymore. She's going to Harrisburg, PA, and she's taking it back to Tucson. I'm like, if you're moving your stuff to Harrisburg, why are you driving this back? And she's like, well, I'm gonna go back and get more stuff. So one of two things is going on here. She's either lying about the moving stuff and this is not her stuff, or she's doing something else that she shouldn't be doing. That's really the only the reason for this. I mean, this is a $1,100
Oh my God.
rental.
And she has to be back in Tucson with it.
In 4 days.
Well, she's not gonna make it if you keep pulling her over.
She'd do a better job of driving. I wouldn't have to stop her. I told her, I'm like, listen, if you're moving stuff for somebody else, I don't have an issue with that. I'm not here to do anything about it. I'm not the OT. She wouldn't come off of it. So
I can hear her.
she's still up there. So
Say what?
she's by herself, coming from Tucson, going to Harrisburg. So
Is she nervous?
smell that.
It's like Downy or something.
That's what I said. It's like a softener, fabric softener or something.
You know what I mean? My wife will shoot me.
Huh?
How come it smell like that? My wife will shoot me.
I'm just gonna walk it.
Okay.
chick. Good girl, come on. Good job, good job. Hello. Let me come on back. Okay, no weapons on you?
No.
I'll just have you put your hands on top of your head. I'm just going to pat you down with the back of my hand, okay? Face the car. Come on back here. Where's the key to the lock?
It's in the...
Is everything in that truck belong to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Just have you have a seat there, okay?
The duck head? Oh.
Big old lock. Ruh-roh. Load 'em up, buddy! What is it? Kilos, bro. No, it's not. Yeah, it's duffel bag. Holy my God. Woo! Dude, yes! That's a big one. That's a lot of dope, baby. That's a lot of dope. Holy bro, leave it here. We'll get pictures. That thing is filled up. Just put the lock back on. Let's go. You already know?
Yes.
Is this something you want to deliver?
Yes.
All right, turn around. Right here, we'll do it in the front. All right, where's this going?
SP1742.
New York.
New York? New York City?
Yes.
And you want to deliver it?
I was going to do it because they was going to pay me.
Okay. But you don't want to move this to New York?
Like,
For us?
To help you as well. It's not just us.
Have a seat up
I
there.
don't know.
Think about it. You got some time, okay?
Go ahead and have a seat up there.
Super Bowl, baby. That's the Super Bowl. Did you see it? Hey, where's the key? All right, what we're going to do is we're going to drive this back to our post. It's to the next exit, and we'll talk in there, okay? All right? You good?
Yeah.
It's going to New York.
There's 2 big bags in there.
Dude, it's huge.
Think about what we're offering you. This is part of your life, too, okay?
I have kids, I have a husband, so they don't know nothing.
I know, but somebody's going to be very mad.
Yeah, my husband is gonna get mad with me.
I'm talking about when you lose what's in there.
I know.
I'm not going to be happy. Where's your family even think you're at right now?
They think I was working. They didn't know nothing. I just say I was going to make a delivery, to put furniture for another person, and my husband said, "Oh, yeah, it's fine."
Okay. So what we're actually offering is for you to deliver that to New York, and we arrest them. It helps you because the presumption right here for you is to go to prison. Okay. We work out here in the middle of nowhere. They don't like that stuff coming through here. Okay. So think about it, because if you're willing to take it to New York, bring in the DEA, which me and him both work for the DEA as well, besides the fact that we're state troopers, and that in turn, that cooperation helps you with sentencing. Okay. So think about that. Any questions of me so far?
No, okay.
Okay. It's big packages. No, you went after a different one.
Is that other bag loaded too?
You think this was left there intentionally? I guarantee the dimness is set down. Take a picture, because this was shoved down in here. I think this is just props. This is props, but we'll still rip it open.
Alright.
Am I driving your Tahoe or this?
You're driving this.
Feels good, baby. Just like that.
Like that.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
When we get there to your office, can I call my husband and tell what is happening and tell my kids that I don't know something?
Andrea Celaya was arrested at the scene and taken to the police station for questioning. There, she admitted she was transporting approximately 15 kilograms of illegal substances to New York in exchange for payment. The case has been turned over to the Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA, for further investigation into the trafficking network. The suspect now faces several serious charges, including felony drug trafficking, possession of illegal substances with intent to distribute, federal conspiracy to distribute controlled substances. Under federal law, with this quantity of illegal drugs, she could face 10 to 20 years in prison if convicted. Authorities say they are continuing to work on identifying the higher-level individuals behind the shipment.
That don't work.
Okay. What's your husband do?
He's a plumber.
How many kids do you guys have?
4, 2 girls and 2 boys.
Ma'am, I know you know what my job is and what we do, but at the same time, like, I understand what people will do for their kids.
Yeah.
I get it. Give me a minute, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
A little bit.
You stack it here.
Oh,
On the ground, right?
nice.
Yeah.
I'll take you inside, okay? Go down that hall. Far bench over against the wall. You have a seat. Ma'am, I'm not pressuring you, obviously, to do the delivery, but we do this a lot. We're good at it. They're going to be really mad, okay? Just the fact you got caught, alright? We like to arrest the bigger players on this end. We like to get the other players on that end. We can only do that with your help. We can only do so much, okay? This is not your first time you've been involved in this. We're also very good at doing homework on people.
Disclaimer. This video contains information related to law enforcement and criminal activities. It is presented for news reporting and public awareness purposes only. We do not support, glorify, or encourage any form of criminal activity.